Hey, got a quick video to show you the brand new wallet by Spigen. I love their product. I use all their cases and screen protectors, so I thought I would pick this up to replace my regular card holder. Well, let's unbox this. I did not see any reviews on YouTube for this brand new Spigen wallet, so I thought I would show you what this product looks like. Spigen said this is made with premium aluminum and it has a brush finish, as you can see right there. The edges are rounded slightly, so it's not sharp. So it's the corners are rounded. Let me do a close-up for you. And this is the back that holds your cash. Very nice brushed aluminum finish. Well, Spigen says this will hold up to 12 cards. Right here. So yeah, this is just a quick video, and thanks for dropping by.